seen my last video, you already know what's about to happen. This hairstyle did not turn out right. I used the Eco Styler flaxseed gel, and no, not gonna do it. I'm not gonna wear my hair like this for a week. It's just no. So what I'm gonna be doing is a puff, and I will show you guys what I'm doing to it. For the most part, my hair is pretty moisturized and soft, so that's the only good thing about it. But yeah, we're just not gonna wear it like this. We're not. So what I have is my green gel. I don't really like this one because it like flakes, but for a puff it should be fine. I have like the little edge brush, and I have my dimming brush. My hair is not even completely dry, but we're just gonna put it up. So I'll bring it up. I might leave some hair out on the side. But this is just to kind of like tie it for now. I'm just gonna be putting some gel, not some gel, some oil, so that like I have like a little barrier between all this gel I'm about to put on. Then I am literally gonna go on with gel. Just kind of slap it on to start. Then to like smooth it down, I'm gonna go with my dimming. Next, I will go on with my second hair tie, and this is going to be the tight one. Smooth it. And we're going to work on getting it up. Just like push the back up. As you push the back, you kind of like pull in the front. Decide where you want it to be. I think I want mine pretty high up. Don't break it. Is that good? I think that's good. Wrap it around. Okay. So this is what it looks like. You can keep it in a bun if you want. But I'm going to take off the first one. Just kind of get it filled for your hair. You can like fluff it out and stuff. So now the problem with my hair getting longer, is it flaking? The problem with my hair getting longer is that like it falls crazy. Like this is kind of cute, but in real life it's like not cute. So what you want to do is make like another little puff situation so that it doesn't fall like so crazy. You see that already kind of helped. Then you just want to fluff it out and stuff. Fix it to your liking. I'm looking over there because of my mirror. Add some gel to my sides. And now for the best part, we get to work on the edges, and I know how to do my edges now, so you can talk to me. So put some gel and just do them however you want. Look at that. Fancy. Real quick, real easy, or real cute. Okay. And then you want to lay your hair down because I don't know about your edges, but mine don't like to stay. But let me give you a close up because I did really good. Now I'm gonna just put my scarf on, and we're gonna go all night. You can fluff and all that stuff in the morning or whenever you feel like taking your hair down. But I'm going to bed, so it's gonna be in the morning. But you guys won't see like a final result, so here it is. Quick, easy, cute, you know what I'm saying? You can fluff it out more, make it bigger, whatever you want. Back. But yeah yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.